a bitch and in a house in Liverpool. And the only things that were in this house, no, I need to say, who named her because she was found in a, does that say Danny Wilson? That's not it. Okay, fine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Watch all our videos. Found in a house in Liverpool. Was she like emaciated? I can't remember. I may cut that out. Don't know. After seeing a light. No, hang on a minute. Let's get this right. Her owners from Wallasey. I don't even know the names. What? Sarah and Craig. Does that come from anywhere? Has anything attacked that? Or did she just come with dog aggression issues? Yeah, okay. Just saying, someone's live on Facebook. If you didn't like it, don't even comment. Start doing it properly. Videos. No, not our video. Get you. Straight, a monkey pulling a lever. He doesn't pull a lever, he sees a light.
Folks, I am completely blown away by the sound.
Ravioli. Experimenting. It's not experimenting. At the time, Pavlov.
My dog's not aroused.
Am I meant to still be filming?
I'll cut that out.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Andy and I'm going to talk about behaviour science today.
Because you're a shit cameraman and I haven't got my headphones in. But it's mainly because you're a shit cameraman.
Yeah, but if I get dead close, then you like haven't got your full body. Do you want me to stop and start again?
Where was I? I do need to have pointers. I'm still recording. Classic conditioning. Right, should be on now. Here's the clap. Oh, does he? Yes. Down. This week I want to go back and forth like that guy off Absolute Dogs and keep clapping your hands.